So I kind of wanted to talk about this today. Because everybody always asks, why don't I strap my GoPro Hero 7 to my FPV drone, smoother footage? The reason why is because I feel like it affects your flying skills. I think that flying a non-stabilized camera shows you all of your oopsies and daisies, and the more you can smooth out a camera and fly without the need for stabilization, the better of a pilot you become. So, though it's nice getting really stabilized footage and stuff like that, I find that I prefer to fly non-stabilized cameras because then I can see all of my little doozies that I do while flying. And I think that makes a major difference on my skill set and the way that I push myself and get smoother behind the sticks. So I encourage everyone to turn off stabilization, go out and fly, and see what your footage looks like without the stabilization active. I think you'll be quite surprised by things that you could really work on. And at some point, your skills will get good enough that you can just turn off stabilization altogether and just fly without stabilization active. That's when you know that you've got sugary, beautiful butter behind the sticks. So this is a short one today, guys. I just wanted to cover that. I'm actually getting ready to rip this crane out here with MeHop. We're putting up the 3-inch again, the 3.5-inch, the Wasp 3.5. I also have my 5-inch, but I'll just kind of show you the crane there. So there you go. You got this big crane out here that nobody's using right now. So I figured it'd be fun to get a couple pilots together and rip the crane while we have an opportunity. But I prefer to fly non-stabilized cameras. Yes, I could throw my GoPro Hero 7 on there and turn on hyper smooth and all that, but it's really defeating the purpose then, because then I'm not teaching myself to be really sugary behind the sticks. While you're flying, you don't notice all your little hiccups. Afterwards, when you review your footage, you go, okay, I need to work on this, I need to work on this, this is something else I could work on. With stabilization active, you don't see any of that. It corrects all that stuff for you, but it doesn't make you a better pilot. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I choose to fly non-stabilized cameras. Sure, like I said, I could throw my Hero 7 on there and take all the good footy like everybody else. I prefer to fly my other cameras, like my Heroes, my Hero 4s, my older cameras. They do really good in super view, and it allows me to see where my mistakes are and make myself better behind the sticks. That's why I fly non-stabilized. So as I get better, then maybe I'll swap to my Hero 7 with stabilization active. But I think for now I'm just very happy with teaching myself how to be sugary behind the sticks, and seeing those corrections that I need to make with non-stabilized footage really helps. So that would be why. Alright guys, drone worship from somewhere in beautiful Tampa, Florida. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Toodaloo.